Hi guys, in this video we will see how to create a password reset disk on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you forgot your Windows password, then you can easily reset it by creating a password reset disk. Here are the process. Open control panel in your system, and here look for the user account. Choose user accounts, click on it. Here in user accounts, in search field, simply type password. If you already found it on left side of menu, create a disk, password reset disk, then choose here create a password reset disk. Click on it, but you must insert a USB drive in your Windows PC from which you can reset password disk. A USB drive such as pen drive or any USB drive must inserted in your system. So first insert a removable disk in your Windows PC and then click on create a password reset disk. A new wizard will open. Welcome to the forgotten password wizard. This wizard lets you create a password reset disk. No matter how many times you change your password, you only need it to create the disk once. To store password recovery information on a USB flash drive, insert the USB flash drive before clicking next. So insert a USB flash drive before the clicking next. Click on next. To continue, click next. Here create a password reset disk. I want to create a password key disk on the following drive. Choose a drive and click on next. Current user account password. You will have to enter current user account password. If you have not set any password yet, then leave blank. But if you have already set a password for your user account, then enter the current password. Creating password reset disk. So wait till 100% complete and choose next. Finally, finish. Click on finish, completing the forgotten password wizard. You have successfully created a password reset disk for this user account. So click on finish. Thereafter close the control panel windows and go to your USB flash drive, and you can see a password is successfully created. Use key password.